This video is from the book Impact or Invisible: Surviving the Data Age with AI by Angel Reyes, available on Amazon. Welcome to Video 8 in our AI-powered research series. Today we're tackling a question every researcher faces. Which tasks should you delegate to AI and which should you keep for yourself? This isn't just about efficiency, it's about strategic deployment of your most valuable resource, your expert judgment. Here's the reality. Most researchers use AI randomly. They try it on whatever task they're working on, get mixed results, and never develop a systematic approach. Some tasks that would benefit enormously from AI never get automated. Other tasks that require human judgment get outsourced inappropriately. The result is inconsistent quality and missed opportunities. Some tasks benefit enormously from AI assistance. Others are degraded by it. And some tasks fall in a gray zone where the right approach depends on context. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear framework called the automation matrix for categorizing any research task and deciding the appropriate level of AI involvement. You'll know exactly where to invest AI effort and where to protect human judgment. Let's build your automation strategy. Let's start with the problem this framework solves. Most researchers approach AI reactively. They hear about a new tool, try it on whatever they're currently working on, and either get excited or disappointed based on that single experience. This is like trying to evaluate a hammer by using it on every task, including tasks where you need a screwdriver. The result is confusion. Some researchers over-delegate, handing off tasks that require human judgment and getting errors or superficial outputs. Others under-delegate, manually doing tedious work that AI could handle perfectly well. What's missing is a strategic framework for matching tasks to the right level of AI involvement. That's what the automation matrix provides. A systematic way to think about which tasks benefit from AI, which don't, and which require a hybrid approach. The automation matrix uses two dimensions to categorize tasks. The first dimension is judgment required. How much expert interpretation, evaluation, or decision-making does this task require? High judgment tasks need your expertise. Low judgment tasks are more mechanical. The second dimension is volume or frequency. How often do you do this task? How much of it do you need to do? High volume tasks offer more return on automation investment. These two dimensions create four quadrants. Quadrant 1 is high judgment, low volume. Do these yourself. Quadrant 2 is high judgment, high volume. Use AI assistance. Quadrant 3 is low judgment, high volume. Automate these fully. Quadrant 4 is low judgment, low volume. Delegate these to AI. Let me explain what goes in each quadrant and how to handle tasks in that category. Quadrant 1 is high judgment, low volume. Do these yourself. These are tasks that require your full expertise and don't happen often enough to justify building AI workflows around them. Examples include defining your core research questions, making final decisions about methodology, interpreting the meaning of your findings, deciding whether to pursue a new research direction, and evaluating whether a paper is ready to submit. For these tasks, AI involvement might actually be counterproductive. You need to engage your deep thinking, not outsource it. The key question is this: does this task require my unique expertise and judgment? If yes, and it doesn't happen constantly, do it yourself without AI assistance. This quadrant is about protecting your high-value work from unnecessary automation. Quadrant 2 is high judgment, high volume. Use AI assistance here. These are tasks that require your expertise but happen frequently enough that some AI support improves efficiency without compromising quality. Examples include reviewing large numbers of papers for a systematic review, evaluating multiple grant announcements for fit, assessing student work across many submissions, coding qualitative data across many transcripts, and writing multiple sections of similar documents. For these tasks, AI does a first pass, and you do the final evaluation. The AI sandwich method we discussed applies here. Human intent, then AI processing, then human evaluation. AI handles the volume while you handle the judgment. This is where you get the biggest productivity gains while maintaining quality. The key insight is that AI extends your judgment across more work than you could handle alone. Quadrant 3 is low judgment, high volume. Automate these fully. These are mechanical tasks that happen frequently and don't require your expertise. Automate them completely. Examples include formatting references to a specific style, converting file formats, extracting standard metadata from papers, scheduling and calendar management, data backup and organization, and standard email responses. For these tasks, set up automation and don't spend another moment thinking about them. Your time is too valuable for work that doesn't require your expertise. The key question is this: if a capable undergraduate could do this task with clear instructions, consider full automation. Many researchers resist automation here because, quote, it only takes a minute. But a 101-minute task per week is almost 2 hours. That's time better spent on high judgment work. Quadrant 4 is low judgment, low volume. Delegate these to AI. These are one-off mechanical tasks. They don't happen often, so you don't build automated workflows, but they also don't require your expertise, so you hand them to AI when they come up. Examples include creating a one-time visualization, drafting a routine administrative email, summarizing a single paper for quick reference, generating a list of potential keywords, and converting units or doing simple calculations. For these tasks, just prompt AI when needed. No system required, no workflow to maintain. The key insight is this: don't overthink low-stakes, low-frequency tasks. Just delegate them as they arise and move on. Let's summarize the key takeaways from this framework. First, the automation matrix categorizes tasks by two dimensions: judgment required and volume. This creates 4 distinct quadrants, each with a different optimal approach to AI involvement. Second, match your approach to the quadrant. Do yourself tasks that are high judgment, low volume. Use AI-assisted approaches for high judgment, high volume work. Automate fully anything low judgment and high volume. Delegate to AI on demand for low judgment, low volume tasks. Third, strategic automation protects your valuable judgment work while eliminating unnecessary manual effort. The goal isn't maximum automation, it's optimal deployment of your expertise. Here's an exercise. List your 10 most time-consuming research tasks. Plot each one on the matrix. You'll likely discover you're over-investing in some areas and under-automating others. In the next video, we'll explore what AI can and cannot do for researchers. We'll calibrate your expectations for productive collaboration. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Thank you for watching. This video covered the automation matrix from Impact or Invisible: Surviving the Data Age with AI. The full book includes the complete automation matrix framework with detailed task mapping examples for every research phase. You'll learn exactly where AI adds value and where it subtracts from your research quality. Get your copy on Amazon today. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos in this series.